Sports diplomacy is the practitioner of turning the intangible assets of sports into a diplomatic tool, and it fits into broader diplomacy by allowing countries, federations, clubs, sponsors to tap into those intangibilities that people engage with every single day.
Sports diplomacy in today's international relations is quite important because sport is still perceived as politically neutral and intact. So this gives it a soft power, I would dare to say, to come into the picture and help in building bridges in times when conventional diplomacy cannot do best.
Range of expertise, not only from the trainers, but also from other participants. It's enlightening to hear other people's thoughts and real-world delivery. That's what's so exciting about this course.
Being in the sport industry and taking a very important role in development of sports of today, this is a position where you have so much advantages, but at the same time hold a large responsibility for the entire sports ecosystem. This is why it is very important to upgrade your skills, to enhance your competencies in order to be better and better and to be able to contribute to the development of sport in the future.
This program strengthens my professional profile in a few ways. The most important or impactful for me is it enables me with the toolkit as well as connections to effectively work in that nexus of international affairs and sports and using it for good.
I would highly recommend the program of Executive Diploma in Sports Diplomacy by UNITAR to all the people who would like to enhance their competencies to engage in the different perspectives of sport business of today. And giving its intensity, I would say it's very appropriate for professionals because it doesn't take a lot of time, but it gives you a great insight in the field that has not been tackled so much up to this point.